Welcome back to Krown's Crypto Cave, and welcome to the next video of this Technical Analysis 101 series. Today we'll be talking about a little bit more of an intricate topic, consolidation. What is it? Who is it? What does it do? What does it mean? Well, in the context of technical analysis, it quite literally means, and you probably experience it yourself, when price action becomes range bound. So I'm going to bring you over here to the live scene, and we're going to go over some examples together. But first things first, let's describe it in words. The dictionary definition. What are we looking for traditionally to declare something consolidation? Well, we want to see price in a very obvious range, a very visually obvious range, denoted by our trend lines. Second, we want to see volume accompanying it in a declining fashion over time. So, with that said, of course, if you wanted to read the Oxford Dictionary definition of this thing, you would have just done that. But you tuned into this channel, so let's go over some visual examples. I'm a visual person, so I definitely understand that. And we have a perfect one right here. And you can see that we have this nice resistance trend line coming all the way up here. Again, 1, 2, 3 touches. Beautiful. And we have this lower support trend line coming in right over here. Now, technically speaking, this is called a rising channel formation. And we have a very nice pattern over time. And, of course, we have the next key ingredient, a fall off in volume down here. You can see that volume slowly decline over time. Sorry, I'm scrolling in and out. It's probably annoying. I'll just keep it right here. But you can see that, hey, it starts on high volume over here and then slowly loses it as the price action moves its way onwards and forwards. So why is this important to understand? Well, it's important to understand because, one, you can certainly trade a channel like this, but two, you also know that when the consolidation is nearing an end, the volume becomes extremely low on these pops over here. And when this trend actually breaks, this consolidation actually breaks and gets resolved, it's denoted by an increase of volume as the pattern breaks. As you can see over here, this is a very obvious scenario where the volume just absolutely explodes as this rising channel breaks onto the downside. So that's going to do it for this short and sweet video over here. Again, that is consolidation. It is your friend. It gives you a little bit to know about what's going on in the current price action. It helps explain why sometimes price action gets stuck in a range, but also gives resolution to how we can know when the actual trend is changing. So I hope this video finds you well, and I'll see you in the next one.